Alright, the first step to check the S&P 500 ETF historical data.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Let's go to this website. It's called StatMuse. You can type in SPX price 2023. This will only give you price since 2023, but as you can scroll down, we have the open and the close of the SPY, the S&P 500. This next website, my favorite, it's called Macro Trends. You can basically type in right here S&P 500, and you can see we have the historical data point. Okay, you gotta click space on here, of 90 years, and this is what we have, 90-year historical chart. And you scroll down, this will show you year by year the annual change. This is the second best in my opinion, investing like long term than the NASDAQ, because this is still very volatile. But yeah, that's how you check it out completely for free. Subscribe for more, drop a like, share the video if you found value. I'm out.